Good morning and welcome to the Wigs website. Here we're going to show you how to find the perfect wig in the perfect style for your hair loss. Whether you're looking for a synthetic wig, a human hair wig or anything, follow these steps to find the perfect wig. First of all, go to our website, click on the actual Wigs tab. From there, scroll down and over here you are able to filter by hair type, human hair, Remy human hair, European human hair, heat resistant synthetic, synthetic hair and holographic tinsel. You can further filter your choices by a hand-tied wig, a lace front wig, monofilament wig, open cap wig, a traditional wig and a French drawn wig. However, there's more. You can filter by style. Are you looking for a pixie, shag, bob, short, curly, straight, or even a long layered wig? And you can filter further. Are you looking for an average size wig, a large cap wig, or even a petite wig for smaller heads? However, you can still filter more. When you click on the length icon, you can filter by short, medium, or even long-haired wigs. This you can do with hair toppers as well. Let's do an example. We're going to find a synthetic wig. So once again, when you're on the website, we're going to click on the Wigs menu button. Don't click on anything that drops down. Scroll down and let's go. Hair type, we want synthetic. From here, we scroll down a little bit further and we're going to choose our length. We're going to click on short to filter by short hairstyles that are synthetic. And on this page, you are going to find synthetic short hair wigs that are designed for you. All created by Jon Renau and available in our wig boutique in Cape Town, along with private virtual fittings that we can do remotely with you. However, come into our wig boutique where you are able to try on different styles to find the exact and perfect style for you. Thank you very much.